Hello everyone. Today, we need to set up a Java-based environment by installing a Tomcat server on App Server 1, configuring it to run on a custom port 6200 and deploying a specific root.war file. Let's jump straight into the jump host and get started. First, we need to locate our application file. I'll check the tmp directory on our jump host. There it is, root.war. Since the task requires this to be on App Server 1, I'll use the scp command to securely copy the file over to Tony's home directory on App Server 1. This ensures our application package is ready for deployment once the server is up. Now, let's log into App Server 1 using SSH. Once inside, I'll switch to the root user to gain the necessary permissions for installation. We'll use the package manager to install Tomcat by running yum install -y tomcat. This handles our dependencies and gets the base server ready. By default, Tomcat listens on port 8080. But our requirements specify port 6200. I'll open the configuration file located at etc tomcat server.xml. I'm looking for the connector tag. Here it is. I'll change the port attribute from 8080 to 6200. Save and exit. Configuration is set, but the service is currently inactive. I'll use systemctl enable -- now Tomcat. This is a great shortcut. It enables the service to start on boot and starts it immediately in one command. A quick status check confirms everything is running smoothly. Now for the final step, deployment. I'll move that root.war file we copied earlier from Tony's home directory into per share Tomcat webapps. This is the standard directory where Tomcat looks for applications to deploy. Once moved, Tomcat will automatically unpack the war file. Time for the moment of truth. We'll test the deployment locally using curl. As you can see, we're getting a valid response. Everything is working perfectly on the base UR. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more KodeKloud Linux Level 3 challenges. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.